We already have understood what exactly is hybrid models, what is hybrid approach. We also looked in when to use it with its benefits. Now it's the time to understand the let's say the techniques that you can use when combining agile and predictive planning techniques. So a hybrid project management requires a strategic balance between the structured predictive planning in waterfall and a flexible agile execution. Predictive waterfall planning focuses on long term, also upfront scheduling and upfront planning for the cost, which works well for stable requirements. On the other hand, agile planning allows teams to adjust the plan incrementally as the project needs and requirements evolve. Remember that when we talked about rolling wave planning, which is a key technique used in hybrid project, enabling teams to plan high-level deliverables upfront while detailing near-term works iteratively. To remind ourselves what was rolling wave planning. So, rolling wave planning allows teams to focus on immediate tasks while progressively refining future plans, rather than just defining all of the project details upfront. The team here establish a broad roadmap by breaking down detailed tasks only for near-term work. And this approach accommodates evolving requirements and minimizes the rework and ensures the stakeholder satisfaction at the end of the project. So again, rolling wave planning is a progressive elaboration technique where you keep refining the requirements, the needs when it comes near term. And it involves detailed short term planning and high level long term forecasting, which is ideal for the uncertain uh, requirements or evolving projects that need a structured direction. We again here are looking into key benefits when combining agile and predictive planning. So combining agile and predictive planning brings the best of both methodologies. Predictive planning provides a fixed structure for budgeting, clients, and stakeholder expectations, while agile ensures the adaptability in execution. And this combination minimizes the risk of these rigid project structure failing to accommodate changes while preventing agile projects from losing a strategic direction. Here are some of these steps to implement hybrid planning and projects. So, a structured approach is required to have a successfully integrate these agile and predictive planning. First, you need to define a fixed and flexible project components, and the teams must identify which aspect of the project requires strict planning and which, let's say, part of the project needs the flexibility. Next, you can use the rolling wave planning for evolving areas, which is applied onto the uncertain components. Finally, you need to integrate agile sprints within your predictive roadmaps. While having agile sprints and ensures the alignment with the overall predictive roadmap to ensures the coordination across different planning methodologies. These key challenges in hybrid planning and how to overcome them. So a major challenge in hybrid planning is ensuring the alignment between agile teams and predictive stakeholders. And this requires a clear governance structure and synchronizing the reporting methods, also a well-defined handoffs between both of, let's say, agile and structured teams. With having a regular stakeholder engagement and adaptive roadmap, it helps to bridge the gap between the flexibility and the control. So again, all of these challenges, including balancing the agility and structured with structured milestone tracking and managing the expectation between different stakeholders groups and ensuring the seamless integration between agile and predictive workflows, can overcome them by having a stakeholder or regular stakeholder engagement and adaptive roadmaps to help these, to overcome these bridges between the flexibility and control. Aligning the hybrid planning with PMI standards. So PMI, or the Project Management Institutes, let's say standards have emphasizes the need, or they put the focus on the need for adaptive and iterative planning while also ensuring overall project governance. Rolling wave planning is aligned with PMI's progress elaboration principles, allowing the teams to refine the deliverables incrementally while maintaining a structured oversight. Here again, some of these tools and techniques that can be used when planning hybrid projects. So, successful hybrid planning depends on using integrated project management tools. When we talked about agile boards or agile scrum boards like Jira and Trello, enables a sprint-based execution, while Gantt chart provides a structured milestone tracking. With modern hybrid teams can use the Microsoft projects, Azure DevOps, and Jira boards to maintain the alignment between long-term roadmaps and agile execution cycles. Here are one of these examples for implementing a hybrid planning for one of these large scale and multi team projects. So, hybrid planning is especially useful in large or multi teams projects where some of the teams operate in agile cycles while also others require a structured tracking. Enterprise wide governance framework, such as the PMO guidelines, ensures the alignment between the flexible and fixed planning structure. Here are some of the best practices for managing hybrid planning execution. So, to ensure a successful hybrid execution, teams must clearly define areas where agile and predictive planning intersect. With having a constant reporting framework, such as bi-weekly updates for agile teams and milestone-based reports for predictive teams, it helps to maintain the transparency, and it also to align the expectation between the stakeholders. With having a strong cross-team coordination, you ensures that the hybrid project remains aligned with the business objectives. To summarize our session on hybrid planning, we say that hybrid planning is essential for modern project environment where different teams operate under different constraints. We also looked into rolling wave planning, where it provides a structured yet flexible approach, allowing the teams to balance a predictive, let's say, rigor with agile adaptability. Understanding when and how to apply hybrid techniques is critical to ensure the project success.